All my fish lovers gather here. Today we're making a stuffed red snapper Jamaican style, full of flavor, and you will enjoy this one. So welcome to Vlogmas Day 10. Thanks for all the support, guys. Thanks for all the newcomers. Thanks for those that here from day one. I appreciate you guys a lot. So let's jump into this one. Here we have some frozen callaloo. We have okra. We have carrot, hot pepper, thyme, bell pepper. We're going to prep these, and of course our garlic. We're going to slice everything very thin because remember these will be going in the fish. So let's do that and I'll come back. Finally mince all the rest of ingredients. We have shredded our carrot. Now we're just going to combine the frozen callaloo with it. We're going to add some seasons and of course some butter. We're just going to mix this well and then we move on to season our fish. So if you're watching to this far, guys, and you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so at this moment. Turn your bell on for future uploads and also share with a friend. So I'll come back then, guys. Continue watching. So here we have a nice size snapper fish. It's already cleaned, washed. Now I'm just putting some slits and we're just going to season this well with the season that we use for the callaloo mix. Season inside the head in the slits, and then we're going to stuff this with the callaloo mix. Add to a foil paper, our oven already preheating, and we're just going to roast or bake this. This can be used on the grill outside as well, but I'm putting mine in the oven. We're going to stuff this well, yes, and just wrap tightly, double wrap if necessary, and just allow this to roast, steam or bake, whatever you want to call this one, for around 30 minutes until our fish is cooked. And you know the veggies that will be steaming as well, okay? So continue watching, guys. I'll come back at the end of the video. Here you have it, guys. As you see, this can be done in under an hour and the end result is very delicious, I must say. Yes, so thank you guys so much for watching, guys. Please watch to the end, like the video, share, drop me a comment below, and do subscribe if you haven't as yet. So until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.